Okay, so we're going to prove that P or Q or R is logically equivalent to P or Q or R. So basically what we're showing is that the OR function among propositions is associative, right? So let's go ahead and start with the proof. So let's go, we'll have our three variables, P, Q, and R, right? Okay, because those are the three variables used. And of course, we need all possible true or false values between these variables or propositions. So we'll do true, 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 false, 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 true, true, false, false, true, true, false, false. And then the last will be true, false, true, false, true, false, true, false. Okay, so this is how we can get all the possible truth values between these three propositions. So next, we want to show that this whole thing is equivalent to this whole thing. But first, we'll do this part, and then we can do this entire part. So we'll do Q or R. Okay, so true or true is true. Remember, for or, all you need is at least one of them to be true in order for the entire thing to be true, right? So this will be true, this will be true, this will be false because we don't have at least one t, right? This will be true, this will be true, this will be true, and this will be false, right? So now we're going to do P or Q or R, right? So we'll look at the P column and the Q column, and there is an OR connective between these two, right? So that means we'll have true or true is true. Here will be true. Here will be true. True, 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 and then false. So the only one that's false is the last row, right? Okay, so now let's go ahead and look at this whole thing here. So we'll start with P or Q. So P or Q. So we'll look at column P and column Q. True or true is true. This will be 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 true. And the last two are false, right? Because you don't have at least one true in there. Okay, so now we're going to do P or Q or R, right? So we're going to look at the P or Q column and the R column. So true or true is true. True, right? We have true here again. We have true here again. Basically, all these will be true because I can see at least there's one T, right? And then this one I got to check. So false or true is true again. And then the last one, false or false, will be false. Okay, so what I have now is I have this column here is the same as this column here. So that tells me that P or Q or R is in fact logically equivalent to P or Q or R, right? So this tells me that P or Q or R is in fact logically equivalent to P or Q or R, right? Right. So that does tell me that the OR connective between propositions, right, is in fact associative, and that is the proof.